you hear? I hear an elephant chanting in my ear. Elephant, elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard calling in my ear. Leopard, leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. Ooh, walrus, walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Ooh, zookeeper, zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, floating like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, purring like an elephant, snorting like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, like a walrus. That is what I hear.